got a package. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder what it is. My goodness. I made sure to put my mask back on. Hold on. Don't look like it was sent by the same people. All right, hold on. Okay, there they go. One came with a SD card, 32 gigabyte, and one did not. They're both the same. Sure. Get it open and get a closer look. As you can see, they give you a bunch of little accessories on the bag. The bike. This is a little side clip. You know, wear it on your belt. Charge cable, of course. Let's get a closer look at that camera. That's a nice looking camera, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. Let's see what else we got in here. That's a little gig, 32 gig card. I don't know if you can see that or not. Looks like a little strap. This is a little plate. And hopefully these accessories are compatible with the 50 piece. So we'll size it up and make sure everything works with this. But we got it in. I'm gonna try to get out here and get this YouTube footage. So support, like, subscribe, Sammy's RC World. We're about to get all the way into it, baby. Thank you for watching. Sammy's RC World. Better than a psychiatrist, I'll tell you that. There is a little catch to opening this thing. You kind of gotta push this thing, little piece right here, over, and then lift this up. And then you lift that up, because this thing kind of hangs over this little door piece and pulls it shut. So you lift that up. Open it. Since I'm working with one hand here, I'm just going to pour it out. And we can see the camera itself. And where we can charge it. Well, wait a minute. Those are the power buttons. That's where we charge it. What we're going to do now, that's the power button right there. I'm going to turn it around, see if it's, I know it probably don't have any juice, but we're going to see if we can get it to come on. There it is. I still got the plastic screens on, so goodbye. No battery. Okay, we'll get these things charged up. We'll see what's going on. Thanks. Well, they didn't come in this case. This is the case. This is the accessory kit case. But I just took everything and put it in here. And I'm gonna go in there and take out what I don't need. What's extra, so I can use this as my carrier case. But they do look sweet sitting down in there, don't they? And they not Wi-Fi.